Special greetings, my dear students. Today we will revise our chapter. Okay, we will revise our chapter. Already we completed our semester portion. Only sixth chapter question answer is pending. I didn't update, so soon I will update. Now, kindly see here. In sixth class, especially semester portion after periodic test. Okay, you learned two applications. Okay, in MS Office. Okay, in MS Office, Microsoft company Office. In this there are mainly four packages. Okay, you should know this is the basic. This is the basic and important. First, Word. After, third, at last, MS Access. Now see students here, in MS Office, okay, we are going to see MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint and MS Access. This all are the things you are going to learn, okay, in our upcoming classes also, but before 10th class you will complete this all. Okay, now in 6th class, in fourth chapter, MS Word. In MS Word, you are going to learn mail merge. Okay, in MS Word, you are going to learn mail merge. After, you will go to the PowerPoint. Only these two applications, MS Word and PowerPoint, you are going to learn. Okay, in MS Word, what we are going to learn, that is mail merge. Okay. What is a mail merge? Okay, what is a mail merge? Mail merge is a concept of sending a particular message to multiple person through internet. Example, now in your mobile phone, even if it is a WhatsApp or text message or any, okay, you are writing one message and you are sending a particular message to multiple person, like forwarding. Okay, you are sending particular message to multiple member. Okay, in email also we are doing. So such type of message, only one message, but you are sending to what? Multiple members through the online. Okay, with MS Word also we can able to do. Okay, with MS Word also we can able to do. But in MS Word, okay, in MS Word, while sending a message, it is giving so many options. You can send in offline also, you can send through email also, or you can send through a what is that? Outlook. So many options are there. Okay, like a hard copy, soft copy, like that. Any format, if you want to send, you can send to the MS Word. Okay. So in this class, you are going to see what is MS Word. Okay, and what are the components involved in a mail merge. See, MS Word, okay, this we can able to say document, word processing. Okay, MS Word we can say word processing. Okay, MS Word is a word processing. Sir, what is a word processing? Students, nowadays you can able to see the books. You are saying the books now, books, newspaper, question paper, and whatever notice you are seeing, notice board or any information you are seeing in a paper, mostly it was done by MS Word. If you are going to the MS Word processor, Microsoft Word only is not a company. There are many companies like OpenOffice, Apache, LibreOffice, like not only this, so many companies are there, they are providing word processing. But we are going to learn MS Word. Sir, why we are learning MS Word? Because This is a application worldwide everyone is using. Okay, maximum members they are using this, and frequently every 2 year once or 3 year once we are getting the updation. And if you are getting any problem, they will debug, means whatever problem we are facing, while soon they will resolve that particular problem. Okay, and other applications they are providing free. MS Word is not free. Okay, MS Word is not a free. This is the thing you have to keep, and whatever we are using, maximum we are using cracked version. And the main things you should know in MS Word. MS Word is a document processor extension. In extensions you will get more doubt. MS Word extension dot DOC. This is the 2007. Okay, 2007 you will get DOC. But when you are going to the 2010 or updated version, okay, when you are going to the updated version, this extension will change. Okay, DOCX. Okay, that is a document. Okay, so if you are writing this both, it is of course correct. Okay, this both will be supportable. And if you are going to the LibreOffice or any other document, there will be extension dot ODO. But this all things no need, just you focus what is necessary. Already told mail merge. Okay, mail merge is a concept used to send a message to multiple person. Okay, when we are coming to the mail merge, there are mainly three components involved. Okay, what are the three components? First one, data source. Okay, and second, main document. Data source, main document, I written in a short form. Okay, at last third, merging. Merge field. This are the three things you should know. Okay, this are the three things you should know. If you know these three things, you know the mail merge. This chapter is over. Okay, practical oriented I am talking. So when you are going to the data source, it is the address. Okay, data source, it is the address. Data source, it is a separate file. Okay, in that particular file, we are storing every student's information. Okay, we are storing every student's information in our school. Okay, so this is a different. Main document, actually what message you want to send, what message, that is a data, so main document. At last, merging field. Combination of data source and merge field is called, combination of data source and the main document merging is called what? Data field. Okay, now let's see one sample letter. You can take any type of letter. Okay, this is one letter from message. Now if you see this letter, okay, if you see this letter, this is what? Data source, and this is main document. Okay, data source and the main document. Okay, now this data source is in a different file. In that file, if I want to send a message to 6th students, everyone 68, I don't want to send message to 6th I want to send message to only 68. So I can select 68 option. Okay, it will be available in database. After, I can write only, this is different. Okay, in this place I'm just typing. Data source already it is in a different file. Now I type the message, and when I click single click, in a mail merge there are 6 steps involved. Okay, in mail merge 6 steps involved. When I will complete that steps, what will happen? This separate file and this separate file both will merge, and when the person will receive, it will shows like he received personally. Okay, that message received by him personally. Example, in a menu bar. Okay, in a menu bar you should select mailing tab. In menu bar you should select mailing tab. After mailing tab, in a ribbon there will be a group. In that there will be a mail merge. Okay, mail merge. When you select the mail merge, drop down arrow will be there. When you click on that, it will open on small box. In this, so many options will be there. At last there will be a step by step mail merge. You should select this. After selecting this, one dialog box will open. In that we can do the mail merge. Okay students, next class I will show you in practical oriented session to do a mail merge. Okay, thanks for watching my dear students. Thank you.